If you are a railroad modeller, you need to know about Loco-Motion, an innovative, low-viscosity synthetic lubricant which will give instant reduction of friction and transform the operation of your railway layout, creating smooth, realistic starting and running of your locomotive and its rolling stock. It is packed in a clear, easy-to-hold bottle with an integral needle applicator that is easily removed and fitted. The fine, long-reach applicator needle is carefully matched to the oil's low viscosity to avoid excessive oiling, and it delivers just the right amount, even to the most inaccessible parts. It is able to penetrate and cling to all moving parts, as a result of its novel, polar one might say, magnetic properties. It is unlike any other oils in that it clings to metal parts, increasing slip of the surfaces in a way that other oils cannot, ensuring the immediate and smooth takeoff of locomotives, required by the most discerning railway modeller enthusiasts. Loco-Motion should be used on axles, bearings, gears and pivot points in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations, and may be used safely on plastics including nylon gears. Its high thermal stability minimises the build-up of black deposits to keep parts clean with minimal friction. It is also viscosity stable, meaning that it does not thicken in the cold or evaporate with heat, ensuring reliable hot and cold running. Furthermore, it will not harm modelling plastics or paints. It is enhanced with a rust preventative to keep locomotive mechanisms protected while they are switched off or in storage. Let's have a look at it in action and see some of its benefits. Firstly, friction reduction studies with Kato SD40 and SD45 have been carried out and show that there is a noticeable 33% and 31% reduction in the running current, giving extra available pulling power. Similar studies on a wider range of HO, N and 009 gauge locos have shown current reduction gains between 10% and 28% compared with factory-fitted lubricants. Secondly, on-track stop-start performance shows smoother startup and low-speed, realistic running. And finally, let's talk about breathing new life into old locomotives. In independent tests, after a thorough cleaning and re-lubrication using Loco-Motion, the starting voltage, an indicator of internal resistance, of this Bachmann locomotive was dramatically reduced from 8 volts to just 2.7 volts. Even after 30 minutes of continuous operation, there were no signs of lubricant leakage. Plus, Loco-Motion works perfectly with track magic, ensuring clean wheels and contacts for a smooth and efficient restoration process. But don't take our word for it. Loco-Motion is already approved by worldwide railroad manufacturers, including Kato, Rapido, Hornby, Heljan, Walthers, Bowser, Broadway, Athearn, and more will surely follow. So why not ask your local dealer for Loco-Motion oil by name? Loco-Motion oil is available through our international distributor network in North America, Europe, Australia, and the rest of the world, and from our many specialist retailers. Scan this page for more information. Deluxe Materials, the strength inside your model.